Hello, my name's Hayden Soloway and I work at McIntyre Elder Law. This morning we have a guest, Kevin Allen. We're going to be talking a little bit about Greg's book, how he happened to have known about the book or was told about the book. And so Kevin, you want to tell us a little bit about yourself?
Well, thank you, Hayden. I'm glad to be here. I'm a Shelby product. Grew up here with my brothers and sisters. I'm currently teaching at Shelby High School. I'm looking forward to retirement soon. I'm a member of the Masonic Lodge here. A military veteran. I was in the Navy for 6 years, and I'm just proud to be a Shelby and Cleveland County product.
We're going to talk a little bit about the book. This is Saving the Farm. And how did you first learn about the book?
Well, a very important person in my life was my former 7th grade PE teacher, who I later worked for as a lifeguard at Shelby City Park. Was recently diagnosed with Alzheimer's. And while I was visiting him in a care facility, his daughter shared with me some information that Greg had shared with her, and she asked me if I had read the book. Had never heard of the book before, but she shared with me what Greg was able to do for her mom to help them save the home place, save the farm, so to speak, by doing a ladybird deed. I had no idea there was such a thing as a ladybird deed. So I was very intrigued about the book, and I mentioned before I'm a Mason, and I'm in the lodge with Greg. And so I asked him about the book. He happened to have one, so I picked up a copy of the book from him and read it. And I was amazed at all the stuff that I didn't know, that I needed to know. And I was so impressed by the information in the book. During Bible study, actually Bible school, the next Bible school session we had, I scheduled several sessions for adults, and Greg was our first speaker to come and talk about end-of-life issues, and he shared information about the book and some end-of-life issues that we don't normally think about, but we should think about.
And when I think about the things that we've done for people like that, that means a lot to me. And so our job is to spread the word, and one of the ways we do that is through Saving the Farm. Tell us a little bit about your experience going through the process with Greg of getting the document done.
Well, after reading the book and discussing some end-of-life issues and some preparation for what we needed to do with my wife so that we would protect ourselves and protect our children from having to deal with some difficult situations and difficult decisions. We met with Greg, came in thinking we knew what we needed. Greg was very patient with us, listened to us, explained the pros and cons for the decision we were about to make, and help us come to the best decision that would best meet our needs and protect the little bit of assets we have. Don't have a lot, you know, as a public school teacher, but what I have I do care about, and I didn't want our kids to have to go through and kind of make it up as they go. And so we left here with a great deal of peace of mind, knowing that we wouldn't have to put our kids through that. And then we got some great advice from Greg. It was very user-friendly, and we feel really good about the decisions we made.
Greg's an easy person to talk to. He's not pushy. That's one of the things that appeals to me. He offers up the information and, like you said, tells you things that you didn't know. And he just does a real good assessment, which is what I advise everybody to do. Just sit down and learn to know what you do not know. So thank you, Kevin.
Well,
I enjoyed talking with you. I hope you enjoyed meeting Kevin. I hope you enjoyed learning about the book. Thank you.